Indian Abacus, the new generation tool and technology.
Hi, this is Pushpalata. I'm Madhavaram Francis. Today I'm going to talk about no competition because of new abacus. Why no competition? First of all, we are going to see what is new generation abacus, what is old abacus. New generation abacus is nothing but our Indian abacus. This is our Indian abacus tool. This tool we have colorful and this lower bits. This lower bits we have green in color and upper bits we have red in color. Because of this colorful slide, we can easily calculate this numbers. For everyone brain, everything will be saved in image format. Image format only everything will be saved. Like that only in this abacus, this is called ones place. This ones place, this one bit value is 1 and this upper bit one value is 5. So in this color, this total value is 6. So while they are calculating, this image format will be saved on their memory. So they can directly calculate and without abacus, they are using without abacus also they can calculate easily this calculation. Or else this old abacus they cannot calculate like that, because the slides also, this is slide form, this is in slide. While they are calculating this too, if they are showing like this for in front of teacher, for someone else they will show like this, means they can calculate, they can see without error they can see these answers. But in this old abacus, if suppose this value is 2 and this value also 2, if I take down my finger, it won't stay here, because and this is old abacus. In this is the backlog of this abacus, because this rod and this beads same in color. This rod not black color and upper beads, lower beads, everything in same color, darkish color. But in this slide will be light color and this numbers will be dark color. So they can easily calculate, and without abacus also they can calculate without error. If suppose we will keep set 0 if we do like this, means this is set 0, everything will be closed in light color, and if we open this will be, we can calculate easily. But in this set 0 we cannot do set 0 like this, and if we suppose calculate and if we show in front of teacher for someone else, it won't be stay like this. So you can use this Indian abacus. Thank you.
Indian Abacus, easier, faster, and stress-free.